If your headache can speak, it would have said that please understand me and stop having painkillers every time you get one. See, friends, it's very simple that you have to understand your headaches before treating it with anything you have in your hand. Friends, I'm Dr. Sakina Abidi, and let's discuss what kind of headaches you have and what are their reasons. So, friends, there are different varieties of headache. You can have stress related headaches, you can have anger headaches, you can have hangover headaches, you can have serious headaches like migraines, you have hormonal imbalances headache, or you can have gut related issue headaches. So if you have one, stop popping painkillers every time. It is just destroying your body and immune system. But what else you can do? The other thing you can do is to understand what your body is saying, understand the behavior pattern, understand why these headaches are reoccurring every single time. And how can you understand it? Just sit with yourself and analyze the day. What did I do wrong today? Where the things went wrong? Did I overthink very much? Did I took a lot of stress on my head? Or I have serious issues? Are my hormones proper? Are my stress level low? Is my gut okay? Like I'm having acidities or constipation, diarrhea and other issues. There are thousands of reasons you can get headache. But every time popping painkiller is not the solution. Then what else you can do? Homeopathy can help. So every time a patient comes to me and tell me that doctor I have headaches and it's not going, it's reoccurring again and again. The only thing I ask them, please tell me exactly what happened in your day. When you got up, what did you do? What did you eat? What were you thinking? Did you work very much? Did you waste your time? What exactly did you do? Did you eat good? Do you have any acidity or bloating or gas issues or anything else? Understanding their day and events, I come to know what can be the potential cause of their headaches. And if it's reoccurring again and again, then I ask them long-term routine that what do you do exactly and what are your behavior pattern and what time you get your headaches and all the things. Analyzing the whole body, analyzing the pattern, let me understand that what my patient is going through. And according to it, in homeopathy, we have very miraculous medicine that can cure headaches like magic. But it's not magic, it's science. It's just understanding your body and giving the correct response. So, friends, I always tell my patient, analyze yourself first. Everything will be all right. Because body does not suffer silently. When your body suffer, it gives some sign and symptoms. It is in the form of headaches, gut issues, or any kind of sign and symptom. We just have to understand it's what your body is trying to say, and just we have to resolve it. So friends, I hope you understand why you're having headache. And if you have one, you can consult us on the given number below. Or if you have any doubt related to headaches or stuff, you can comment down in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Dr. Sakina Abedin, to get more stuff like this. And if you see family members suffering from it, please share this video to them. It might be very helpful.